Welcome to the game. Each one of you are going to spin for your country. Those of you that are home, I will spin for your country, or I have spun for your country, and you need to just go back into your daily schedule and you will see which country you belong to. Our head countries on Monday will be Deadly Desert. On Tuesday will be the Quadlings. Wednesday will be the Winkies. Thursday will be the Gillikins, and Friday will be the Munchkins. Each day you are going to be earning gemstones. Each country has an assigned color. Munchkins are blue, Deadly Desert are gold, Quadlings are red, Gillikins are purple, Winkies are yellow. The winning country at the end of each month will receive experience points in the game. These experience points, just like any other video game, will help you earn levels and prizes. Each morning I will check your reading calendar. If your parents have signed it, you will earn gemstones for your country. You need to read 30 minutes every night. For each assignment that you complete on time, you will also earn gemstones for your country. This will be explained more tomorrow. There are a lot of advantages for earning levels and being at the top of the leaderboard. You can accomplish this by being engaged and doing your part. Also, you will also earn gemstones and experience points as you get clues and solve the mysteries. Have fun with this. Let's all get to the top of the leaderboard.